Fundamental analysis is a very important part of analysis of investment. I would like to go a bit further ahead and say that this is one of the two major components of analysis of investment, the other being technical analysis. So in fundamental analysis, what we are basically talking about is calculation of intrinsic value of any company. But we do not jump to the calculation of intrinsic value of the company straight away. In fact, we do consider several other factors like the economy in which the company is based, the industry in which the company operates, and then we further dig it down to understand what are the fundamental strengths and weaknesses of the company. Let's see fundamental analysis a bit in detail. It is the analysis of companies' health, financial performance, and future outlook based on historical data and other financial parameters. So we have the historical data of the company, historical data in terms of the financial statement, and basis that we are trying to understand what is the future outlook of the company. That means how the company has been performing till now and how the company is going to perform in future. But we do not ignore the fact that company operates for a certain industry and company operates in a certain economy. It is concerned with determining the intrinsic value or the true value of a security. The intrinsic value is compared with the security current market price. So let's say 1000 rupees is the intrinsic value of a share of a particular company and market price is 800 rupees. So should we buy that share or should we not buy that share is the question. So here's the answer to that question. If market price is more than the intrinsic value, that means security is overpriced, do not buy it. In case you have that security, please get rid of that security, sell it off. In case the market price is less than the intrinsic value, security is underpriced and it is highly advisable that you should be buying that security immediately. Now, fundamental analysis comprises of economic analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. Now, there are two approaches to these analysis. Either it's top to bottom approach, which is basically your EIC, economic analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis, or bottom to top approach, which is basically your company analysis, industry analysis, and economic analysis. Now in the next video, we are going to see what do we understand by economic analysis.